Welcome to our VideoScribe tutorial. In this video, we'll be discussing a few ways you can improve your experience using the whiteboard animation platform to create videos that best suits your needs. Okay, so before we get started, we'll kind of discuss some of the uses we've had so far with the VideoScribe program. You can use the program to create some pretty awesome videos. We've used these videos to create recruitment material for clinical trial recruitment. You can also use these videos as educational videos for staff, students, and/or patients. There are many uses for this program, and I'm sure you'll find a way to use the VideoScribe platform to your advantage. Before you get started with your scribes, this might be very obvious to many, but the first thing you'll want to do is have a prepared script or outline done before getting started on your scribe. While that isn't a requirement, it'll definitely help speed up the process of making your scribe, and it'll allow you to organize your content in a way that best reflects what you want to say in your scribe. And that's definitely helped us, so I would recommend starting off the creation of your scribe with a prepared script or outline, if possible. Okay, the next thing we'll discuss is saving your actual scribe, which is very important. That is done by using this save icon right over here, save or export this scribe. When clicking on that button, you have the option of saving your scribe locally onto your computer's hard drive by simply checking this, clicking on this check mark here. That'll save it to the base folder under a title of your choosing. But you can also save your scribes to the cloud. That's done by clicking on this icon here, save online. And the one advantage of doing this is you're allowed to work on the same scribe using different computers under the same VideoScribe account. So for example, if you were starting your scribe on a desktop computer and wanted to work remotely on a work laptop, you can access the same scribe if that scribe was saved to the cloud. So be mindful of that. And then there's also an autosave feature that is available and built into the program. That's accessed using the default scribe settings. And I'll show you how that looks like. We'll save what we have here so far and access our default scribe settings right over here. When doing that, you see that the very first option here is the ability to change or edit your autosave timing feature. The default setting is to save every 3 minutes, but you can definitely increase or decrease that time to your liking, or even turn it off by setting that to 0. There are also other features here, other settings here that you can change to your liking. I would refer to the VideoScribe website for more information on that. Okay, so now that you know how to save your scribe, and change your auto save feature. We're going to go and start off with identifying key features here available in the VideoScribe platform. As you can see here, this icon right here allows you to add an image to your canvas. VideoScribe provides thousands of royalty-free images. These are .svg images that are drawn out onto your VideoScribe, which are pretty cool. So use that to your advantage. These images are identified using keywords, so also be mindful of that. And you can also add text to your canvas by selecting this icon right here. The text is available in several different fonts. You can change the color of your font as well. So be mindful of that as well. You can also add some charts and graphs to your VideoScribe. We've got bar, pie, and line graphs that you can add to your scribe. You can also add narration and background music to your scribe as well, in addition to changing the color and texture of your canvas. That's this white background right here of your scribe by selecting this icon right here. And you also have the ability of adding or not having a vignette on your VideoScribe. So be mindful of that. And then last but not least, you have the ability to select the hand that you'd like all of the items on your scribe to be drawn out in. You can either add your own hand if you prefer, but you do have some options here, some different and diverse hands available for you to use for your VideoScribe. Okay. And that concludes our video on getting started with some of the basic features here in the VideoScribe platform.